In this video, we will learn how to fix easy anti-cheat error code 30005. In order to fix easy anti-cheat error code 30005, all you need to do is just firstly open up your PC, then head to this computer to go to your C drive. After coming into your C drive, you need to head to the program files x86. In here, you will find easy anti-cheat EOS folder, so double click on it. After coming into this folder, you will find a file called easyanticheateos.sys. All you need to do is just right click on this file, then delete it, and you're good to go. After that file is deleted, all you need to do is just head to the game that you are trying to launch before. So suppose I was trying to launch Fortnite before this error occurred to me. So I'll just launch Epic Games Launcher. In here, firstly, I will head to library. In library, I need to find Fortnite, and after finding it, I need to right click on Fortnite, go to manage, then click on verify file. By clicking on the verify file button, any file that are missing or causing the easy anti-cheat error will be repaired and re-downloaded, and I can play Fortnite again. So after the verification is done and your game is still not launching, there is a possibility that another instance of easy anti-cheat is running in the background. If any other game that runs on easy anti-cheat is running in the background, this problem can still occur. In that case, all you need to do is head to your task manager to turn that game off. And after turning that game off, you can try launching the game again. So now, as you can see, the game is launching without any error. So this is how you can easily fix your easy anti-cheat error 30005 on Fortnite and any other easy anti-cheat game. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.